What's up guys, Rando here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out a screen protector from one of my favorite brands called Brando. So we got two different models here. The first one is their 3D curved black model, Privacy Screen Edition, and you can obviously tell that the main feature of this particular one is the privacy properties. So you can see here the front looks kind of normal, but when you dip to the back, or the side, sorry, it goes black. And the whole idea behind this is, of course, if you have people sitting next to you, they can't really see what's going on your screen. Only you can, because to them, they're just looking at a black screen. And the other one that we have here is their normal screen protector. This, again, is their Edge Edition, but no privacy properties, just a clean, clear front. So for this video, we're going to check out the clear model here, since I did show the privacy one before. And rather than wasting this one on this video as well, I'm going to give it to one of you guys. Just post a comment in the description below there. Keep in mind, this is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so make sure you have that phone. And I will randomly select one of you guys to win this unused screen protector. Also forgot to show you guys what else it includes, but you get a couple dust removal stickers and a little microfiber cloth. So not really big on accessories, but the main important thing, of course, is the actual screen protector. Alright, so let's install the screen protector. You can see I haven't fully unboxed my iPhone, so for those of you who are planning on getting an iPhone, the easiest way to put on a screen protector is right when you get your phone. But for those of you who already have your iPhone opened up, just wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth, and then use some 3M tape to remove any dust and debris that may be lingering on it even after you wipe it down, because I guarantee a microfiber cloth won't fully take every piece of debris off, and any lint or anything like that that may be stuck underneath could lead to a bubble on your screen protector, which isn't going to look very nice. Alright, so here's what the screen protector looks like on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I have to say, looks pretty amazing. So the 3D curved glass screen protector, or as I call them, an edge-to-edge screen protector, is one of the best ones out there to blend in really well with the iPhone to make it look like there isn't anything on here. The only obvious spot that you can hardly tell because how skinny the earphone on the top is the cutout for the earphone. Other than that, everything else is all covered up. I would say it's pretty much 99% protection. Some of the edges, or pretty much all the way around the edge, there's a little bit of the original glass display showing, and that's largely there so that you have a little bit of wiggle room to install the screen protector. Overall, Brando has done an excellent job with this year's screen protector. It looks amazing, still has that famous oleophobic coating that I rave about, and overall is a great looking screen protector. Here's another close-up of the screen protector here, and once again you can see very seamless screen protector, blends really well with the iPhone to the point where you cannot tell that anything's actually on here. Now there really isn't a whole lot to give you guys an overview of because it's just a screen protector, but edge-to-edge protection that I already mentioned, and the only cutout on here is the top piece for the earphone. Now you can also see the FaceTime camera and some of the other sensors near the earphone. Those aren't actual cutouts. Those are actually unpainted parts of the border of the screen protector so that the light can go through. And one last feature of this screen protector is that it also features rounded edges, which doesn't seem like a big thing, but it definitely makes the screen protector help blend in to the form factor of the iPhone with a nice contour edge. But also when you're using your iPhone, holding it, or if you just accidentally glide your finger across the edge, it's not going to feel sharp or uncomfortable when your fingers hit the edge of the screen protector. Here's a look at the screen protector with the iPhone on, and as you would expect with any glass screen protector, glass is one of the most transparent materials I can get for a screen shield, and therefore the OLED screen that's on the new iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max are unaffected. You can see here the colors are so vivid, text are crisp and clear, and the new 120 Hz motion on the display is also unaffected, which is one of the biggest newer features that I noticed with this new iPhone. But yeah, works perfectly well, and glass preserves the look of the screen while still protecting it. And the whole reason about getting a screen protector, of course, is it's easier and cheaper to replace the screen protector than it is to replace the display of the iPhone. Overall, guys, I still recommend the Brando 3D curved tempered glass screen protector for another year of iPhones. Very well crafted screen protector, precision cutouts for the earphone, the rounded edges, the slick oleophobic coating. It's a very good quality screen protector that Brando continues to perfect every year. And on top of that, it's not too crazy priced like some of the major brands out there. It retails for just over $20. You could probably find some deals when they have like Black Friday sales or something like that. But given the fact that the quality and craftsmanship that you get with the screen protector is definitely worth the money. It's cheaper than some of the major brands, and although it's not as cheap as some of the Amazon screen protectors, you definitely get what you pay for with this one here. And it's usually the last screen protector I have on my iPhone before I sell it a year later. So it definitely holds up over time. In regards to any cons or things I don't like about the Brando tempered glass screen protector, the only thing I can mention is I kind of wish they included some sort of plastic guide that you could set on top of the iPhone and have your screen protector perfectly aligned. That way you're not too off to the side or something, because even with my experience, sometimes even I'm not perfect with installing these screen protectors. One final thing I want to touch on is case compatibility. Most case brands nowadays, like the major ones like OtterBox, Spec Tech 21, I have an OtterBox commuter case on here right now, are designing their cases to be a lot more screen protector friendly. In other words, they don't design the bezels to overlap the glass display of the iPhone, because that's usually the main culprit of cases causing screen protectors to bubble up because they push against the screen protector. So nowadays they leave enough wiggle room that you can sport a case along with a tempered glass screen protector. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a tempered glass screen protector that offers as much coverage as possible, still very well crafted, offers good protection, and preserves the look of the iPhone, you definitely can't go wrong with Brando's 3D curved tempered glass screen protector. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the screen protector, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.